Hi, my name is Alston Fernandez, and this is Application Development with Advanced Concepts in Ember by Pack Publishing. I develop applications using Ember and Rails, and I have been using both technologies in applications which are developed as monoliths as well as microservices. In this course, we will be digging deeper into Ember to understand what goes on inside the hood, and this will help us become better Ember developers and thus improve our application's user experience. We will begin with digging deeper into Ember, in which we will learn about initializers, the Ember run loop, and dependency injection. In learning about these concepts, we will look at setting up notifications by using an initializer as well as dependency injection. Then we will have a look at advanced routing, in which we will look at promises as well as handling fulfillment and rejection. The ability to define success and failure handlers for promises in Ember creates a very powerful system to provide feedback to the user. Next, we will look at multiple Ember applications, in which we will learn to create Ember add-ons as well as to use the Ember Engines add-on. In this section, we will learn to create an Ember chat application, which we will then mount onto our parent application as Ember Chat. In the last section, we will look at advanced Ember usage, including embedding Ember applications into larger application, fast boot or server-side rendering, and also we will have a look at Ember 3. In the process, we will convert an Ember 2 app to an Ember 3 app by using the JavaScript modules API and getting rid of all deprecated API usage from Ember 2. The requirements for this course are a basic knowledge of Ember.js, JavaScript, and also it is good to know ES6, Git, and have an understanding of the REST architecture. So let us start application development with advanced concepts in Ember and take our Ember knowledge to the next level.